Now today, to make it easier, I will compare a club officers with a company, a position in the company. So the first duty, the president here. When you are a president, you are like the CEO of your company. So your duty is to lead the club, okay? To motivate members and officers. And like distinguished Toastmaster Assis told us, we must find successor for the next team. He said it's never too early to find a successor. The first thing as a president, you must sit down and think what you want to achieve in your term, what you want to leave behind as your legacy. So you must set goals and make sure that you achieve them. Toastmasters International already give you 10 goals to achieve, which is the Distinguished Club Program goals. So of course, you have to do that. But I like to tell you, you need to have your own personal goal as a club president too. If you make your president term more excited and fun. For example, when I was a president of Thai Airways International Toastmasters Club, I have 2 goals other than Distinguished Club Program goals. The first one is to have 10 new members in my term in 6 months. The second one is to have at least 2 prepared speakers every meeting. That's my personal goal, and of course, I cannot have at least 2 speakers every time. But at the end of the year, I have 10 new members, and almost every week we have at least 2 speakers. It makes me feel so proud, and I believe members at Thai Airways International Toastmasters Club still proud that I was the president at that time. So I'd like to encourage all the presidents here to think about the goals you want to achieve for your club. Your goal may be different. It may not be possible for some club to say, I want 10 new members. You may have enough challenge just to find 2 new members. Or you don't have problem with speakers, so you think about goals in the other area. So please think about it and talk to your officer. And then, as a president, you need to keep contact with Toastmasters International. So you always keep in touch with your area governor, your division governor. And once in a while, if there is something that you don't understand, or our area governor or division governor do not understand, of course you are welcome to contact our senior district officers. They are here to help you. And you should go to vote at the district convention and international convention. As a president, you have 1 vote. What if you cannot go to the convention? So what could you do? Yes, there will be a proxy form. Our senior district officer already showed that. So once you get it, if you can go, you keep it with you and bring it to the convention. If you cannot go, you give it to division governor and he will forward it to district governor. Especially for this term, we need to vote for the new international president, and every vote counts. So when you receive any email from Toastmasters, ask division governor, area governor, or me before you throw it away. Okay? It may be very important. Now that's the role of the president.